Heard about the innovative brake energy recovery system from SEAT? It collects energy usually lost when a car brakes. So instead of being wasted, this energy actually creates fuel savings. We introduced this technology in an unexpected way, the SEAT Taxi Fare. A taxi that saves you money every time it brakes. We connected this technology to the taxi meter. Then we picked up real passengers around Düsseldorf, Germany.
Should have gone practice English. Oh, a little bit. Is your machine correct? I don't think it's working properly.
Was macht das?
2 Euro.
Wie 2 Euro?
So geht das auch. Da freue ich mich natürlich noch umso mehr.
Alles klar. Glück gehabt.
Glaube ich ja jetzt nicht. Die haben noch eine Kamera.
Very good for me. I chose the right taxi.
Brake Energy Recovery System, available across the SEAT Ecomotive range. SEAT.